Go on then, give it a... This is already an obscenely loud M4, but we're about to create what might be the world's loudest M4/M3. So exhaust going on there today. This has already had a whole host of exhaust work. The remaining piece of the puzzle is the back box. Get your ear defenders, sit back, relax. You're going to enjoy this one. And wait for the video at the end. This is going to be biblical. So although you probably would have seen the exhaust coming off on this car already, I thought I'd show you a little bit about this particular piece. So this is a Remus system, so this is actually an axle back system. The customer already has decatted downpipes, non-resonated mid pipes, so this is going to be the finishing touch. So this is made by Remus and it is being complemented with these fantastic looking matte carbon and titanium metal end tips, if you like. So that's going to really finish the back end off. It's going to be a nice contrast against the gloss, so I think that's going to be really cool. So yeah, very nice bit of kit, and I'm certainly interested to see what this one sounds like. Let's get back to the video and get this one installed. Stay there. So the Remus system is now on the car and it looks really special, I must admit. The titanium inserts with the carbon on the outer part, and obviously being matte carbon as well gives a really good contrast. This is a little bit of a hybrid system in the way that we've got a decatted downpipe, or a set of decat downpipes at the front. Then we have a middle pipe which has no resonators in the middle, and then we come to this axle back Remus system. So effectively when the valves are open, it's straight through.
Nice straightforward job as always.
Exactly that, always straightforward.
5-minute fit.
Exactly that, trying to make everything work. So I've not heard this start up properly, I've only heard it upstairs. So Sam, do you want to give it a little start up for me so I can hear it? And then, hang on, why has he got ear defenders? It's not really going to be that loud, is it? Oh Jesus, okay. Well, we'll let it idle first and then give it a rev. Okay.